Looks like there's a global discussion happening over the electronic voting machine. Now, Tesla and ex-owner Elon Musk has also waded into the controversy. Though this is not about India, this is not connected to India. But what has been said by Elon Musk on EVM is this. I'll quickly quote him because it's a statement on social media site to which Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who had been a minister, remember specifically when it came to IT, Musk had basically responding to someone else earlier said, we should eliminate electronic voting machines. The risk of being hacked by humans or artificial intelligence is small, but it's still too high. And that's why former IT minister then Rajiv Chandrasekhar responded to it, and he said this is a sweeping generalization and that, for example, it may be done anywhere else, but at least for now, in India, for example, that there have been all measures that have been taken. These are custom designed, at least for India, and these are secure and isolated from any network or media. There's no connectivity, no Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, internet that in any way can manipulate or reprogram these EVMs. Remember, because, and it's important that he's responded, because in India, this has been a full-on political showdown. Elon Musk's statement could have been used as not only a political showdown, but a fear specifically among the public, and that's why he's taken to social media site. While Elon Musk was responding to completely another issue that had surfaced in other countries, the allegations that had come in there. And that's why, for now, Rajiv Chandrasekhar has responded, saying Indian EVMs are ensured that they're isolated from any network and they are customized in that. Basically, just to give you a background, Elon Musk was replying to sort of controversy that's erupted in Puerto Rico's primary elections.